Some areas tonight, John, could see the coldest temperatures and the coldest air we have felt probably since early spring.
Yeah, that's right. We're talking temperatures tonight easily back into the 30s.
Frosty.
Could even include a few 20s. Yeah, we got some freeze warnings into some of our southern communities. And the leaves continue to change as well, so we've been seeing those colors popping, and that's going to be something else we talk about later on this week. So there's a look at it, your weather headlines, a few lake effect showers. We've already been seeing evidence of that from earlier this afternoon. And we do have to watch the temperatures, at least going into tonight, early Tuesday morning. The numbers, at least in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, easily going to be below freezing, so that could include a few wet flakes. We're not expecting any accumulations, but just going to show you what's coming down the pipe. However, it does look like by later this week, approaching the weekend, we do start to warm the mercury back up. But the fall temperatures and the colors are continuing to pop, and we are seeing that very much so across most of northern Michigan. Even some areas going north of the bridge already seeing peak colors. So make those plans if you want to go see those colors later this week, this weekend. Probably going to be a good time to do so. Let's go ahead and talk about the bigger view. You got a big area of low pressure that did bring some rain to us yesterday, beneficial rain, but the winds coming around that area of low pressure is what's helping to give us the northerly breeze, and we're starting to see some of those lake effect showers, mainly for us at this point, coming off of Lake Superior and Lake Huron. So that's what we'll talk about going into tonight. Again, the growing season for most of us, we're done and over with it, but they're technically still holding on to that into some of our southern communities. So that's the reason why the National Weather Service from Grand Rapids has issued a few freeze warnings. So that does include areas for us, Big Rapids, and even going towards Mount Pleasant as well. The winds, even as we get into the day tomorrow, again, this is going to be more from the north and the west, and the breeze is still going to be there. We could be talking about gusts near 20, potentially even still near 25 miles per hour as we take you into a Tuesday. So let's go ahead and show you this future view the rest of the evening past midnight tonight. Ascend, you still got that northerly breeze, mainly coming off of Lake Huron and even Lake Michigan, Lake Superior to the north. Watch what happens as we're going past the midnight hour. You already start to see a few of those blue colors on the map. So yes, we do have to watch again for the chance for a few flakes potentially to mix in. Now our ground temperatures right now, they're still in the 40s, so we're not expecting any accumulations, but just going to show you it's going to be a chilly start to our Tuesday, and even still as we're getting into the daytime hours tomorrow with that northerly wind, we still can't rule out a few of these lake effect showers. I think it's going to be more isolated coverage as we get into the day tomorrow. Past that, looking a little bit drier as we go Wednesday and even still beyond by the time we're going later into the week. Live conditions right now, Pickford, you are near 49 degrees, so it is chilly outside. Cadillac, we have you right now near 45 degrees, and that breeze, there you go, coming out mainly the north at about 5 to near 10 miles per hour. So let's get your temperatures past the midnight hour tonight. Again, it's going to be chilly. Areas near the tip of the mid, eastern upper, your fair share right there of some low to mid 30s. Ken Ross, we got you near 31 going into the overnight period tonight. Farther inland, easily could talk about some upper 20s. Lake City, Grayling 28 and 29 degrees for you, getting it into the beginning of a Tuesday morning. Mile and Atlanta, you're right near the freezing mark. Mile near 29. Atlanta, 30, or I should say Alpena, 36. There you go. Harrisville, 36 as well. Below freezing, West Branch, 30 degrees. So again, chilly for the overnight period, especially the farther inland you do go. Big Rapids and Reed City, upper 20s tonight. Clare, 32. You got Hart and Ludington in the low to mid 30s as we do start off the day. Your commute cast out the door. It's chilly as we start off the day with some 30s. There you go into the next 7 past tomorrow, David. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, looking a little bit brighter. Could even bring back some more 50s and 60s by later on this week.